We are surrounded by mysteries. Even in the modern era, there are still many things that we don't know about the world around us. And the ocean is one of the biggest unsolved mysteries that humanity has ever encountered. Humans have only explored less than 5% of the ocean, and most of it lies within the darkest depths. What could possibly live down there? Welcome back, everyone. Here you are about to see some of the scariest creatures known to man. From an underwater big cat to the human-eating plankton. The ocean is full of terrifying animals, so let us take a look at 10 of the scariest creatures found in the deepest part of the ocean. Number 10. The goblin shark. Sharks are scary enough to begin with. Add some weird features to them, and you get yourself a scary monster. That's exactly what the goblin shark is. This shark is already creepy just based on its appearance alone. Its long, slender body and pointed nose make it look like something out of a nightmare. But wait, until you find out how it hunts. It can extend its jaws out to catch prey before quickly pulling it back into its mouth. It's like something straight out of a horror movie. This shark also has more than 300 teeth throughout its mouth, which makes it perfect for tearing through flesh. If you're afraid of sharks, then chances are you will be even more afraid after hearing about this one. Number 9. The frilled shark. Unlike other sharks, the frilled shark does not swim very fast. In fact, it's pretty lazy and doesn't move around much. Because of this, it has a very slow metabolism. It usually takes this shark about 2 years to reach sexual maturity. Most sharks have reached sexual maturity by their first year. The frilled shark is so lazy that it barely even leaves its cave. But if you think that this is why you won't have to worry about it, then think again. While it doesn't leave its cave often, when it does, it's sure to cause some damage. This shark is an ambush predator, meaning it will stay still for a while until its prey passes by and then strike. It has over 200 teeth that it uses to hold on to its prey, while it drags it back to its cave to eat. No, 8. Vampire squid. As the name suggests, this squid is a real-life vampire. Just like Dracula, it has hooked suckers and sharp teeth that it uses to tear through flesh. But this creature is not actually a squid or a vampire. It's actually a mix of both. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this animal came to be. The vampire squid was discovered only recently in 2004. Before this, it was thought to be nothing but a myth. The vampire squid feeds on dead animals that fall from the surface of the water. These dead animals often include fish and whales. When it finds its meal, it attaches itself to it and uses its tentacles to drain it of blood. How crazy is that? If you've ever been scared of vampires, then you'll probably be scared of this animal too. Number 7. The anglerfish. The anglerfish is one of the scariest creatures that lurk in the darkness of the deep sea. These fish have been compared to zombies because of their unique ability to lure in prey. They do this by using a glowing light on the tip of their heads. This light attracts animals passing by, and before they know it, they're being eaten by the anglerfish. This fish is also known for its huge mouth and sharp teeth. It's able to swallow prey whole, no matter how big it is. Anglerfish come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest ones are only a few inches long, while the largest ones can grow up to 3 feet. They're found all over the world in both salt and fresh water. But if you want to avoid being eaten by one, then don't go swimming in the deep sea. Number 6. The barrel-eye fish. The barrel-eye fish is also known as the UFO fish or the eye of the barrel-eye fish. You might be wondering why it has such a strange name. Well, it's because of its eyes. They stick out of its head like a periscope. This allows the fish to see almost 360 degrees around it without having to turn its head. Its eyes are also able to detect the faintest glimmer of light, which helps it find prey in the dark depths of the ocean. The barrel-eye fish is a very small fish. It's usually only a few inches long. It's also very fragile and can easily be washed ashore. If you ever see one of these fish on the beach, then be sure to take a picture because it's a very rare sight. Number 5. The Japanese spider crab. This crab is truly a monster. Its legs can grow up to 12 feet long, making it one of the largest arthropods in the world. It lives in the northern Pacific Ocean, where it feeds on dead animals that fall from fishing boats. It's also known for its intelligence. Japanese spider crabs are able to solve mazes and have even been seen using tools. They're also very aggressive and will attack anyone or anything that invades their space. If you're ever swimming in the ocean and come across a Japanese spider crab, then be sure to stay far away. Number 4. The big fin squid. This squid is one of the most mysterious creatures in the ocean. It was only discovered in 2004, and we still know very little about it. The big fin squid is a very large creature with a mantle that can grow up to 6 feet long. It's also very heavy and can weigh up to 660 pounds. This squid is a very powerful swimmer and is able to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The big fin squid is a very solitary creature and is rarely seen by humans. It's also very elusive and difficult to study because it lives in the deep sea. One of the most amazing things about the big fin squid is its huge eyes. They're able to grow up to 10 inches wide, which is bigger than any other animal on Earth. This allows the squid to see very well in the dark depths of the ocean. 3. The coelacanth. The coelacanth is one of the most amazing creatures in the ocean. It's a type of fish that was thought to have gone extinct 66 million years ago. However, in 1938, one was caught off the coast of South Africa. Since then, we've learned that there are actually 2 different types of coelacanths. The first type is the East African coelacanth, and the second type is the Indonesian coelacanth. Both types are found in the Indian Ocean, where they feed on smaller fish and squid. The coelacanth is a very ancient creature and is considered to be a living fossil. This means that it's a species that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. 2. The giant squid. The giant squid is one of the most feared creatures in the ocean. It's responsible for many attacks on humans each year and is believed to be the largest invertebrate on Earth. The giant squid can grow up to 43 feet long and weigh up to 275 pounds. It's also very strong and has been known to drag ships underwater. The giant squid lives in the deep sea where it preys on smaller animals. It's also very elusive and difficult to study because it lives in such deep water. One of the most amazing things about the giant squid is its beak. It's able to grow up to 10 inches long, which is strong enough to pierce the skin of a human. The giant squid also has 8 arms that are covered in suckers. These suckers are able to grip onto prey and drag it down into the squid's mouth. If you're ever swimming in the ocean and see a giant squid, then be sure to stay far away. Number 1. The kraken. Now time for something really scary. The kraken is a legendary sea monster that's said to dwell off the coast of Norway. It's described as a gigantic squid or octopus that's able to drag ships and their crews to the bottom of the ocean. The kraken is a very scary creature, and many people believe that it's real. There have been many sightings of the kraken over the years, and some people even claim to have fought against it. The kraken is said to be over 100 feet long and has tentacles that are as thick as a man's torso. It's also very strong and is able to pull entire ships under the water. If you're ever sailing in the ocean, then be sure to watch out for the kraken. Thanks for watching. Which of these sea monsters did you find the most fascinating? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you want to see more videos like this one, then be sure to subscribe. We'll catch you next time.